Puducherry LG Kailashanathan is holding a meeting with senior government officials at the State Emergency Operations Centre over the flood situation due to impact of Cyclone Fenjal. Shilpa Nair is joining us live on the broadcast for more details on this. Shilpa, we're learning that Puducherry LG Kailashanathan is now holding a meeting with senior government officials. Give us more details.
Well, that's right, Chetna. In fact, we're currently reporting from the State Emergency Operations Centre here in Puducherry. And as we speak, the Puducherry Lieutenant Governor, Kailashanathan, along with senior officials from the government, including the Chief Secretary and others, are holding a meeting, taking stock of the ground situation in Puducherry. Because remember, Puducherry has received historic and record rainfall of over 48 centimeter rainfall in the last 24 hours. And this is the highest rainfall that Puducherry has seen in the last 30 years. Because of that, there's intense flooding, there's severe flooding in several areas, several localities, several residential areas are completely flooded at this point in time. And as we speak, the Indian Army, the NDRF, the SDRF and all other agencies, the fire and rescue teams, all of them are working in tandem to rescue people from these worst affected areas and bring them to safer locations. Several of them are struggling without basic essentials like food, water, etc. So the arrangements are being made to, give them these basic essential needs as well. Food is being distributed to some of these areas. So as we speak, hectic discussions are underway to coordinate these rescue and relief operations, because even now several people still require help, and that's the reason a high-level meeting is being held at this point in time here in Puducherry. That's the update that we're getting. And as far as the cyclone is concerned, though it has made landfall, it has been the weather system has been lying stationary for the last couple of hours, and because of that, areas like Puducherry, Villupuram, Kallakurichi, Thiruvannamalai, etc., Kadalur, etc., are receiving extreme rainfall, heavy rainfall even now, and that is of course adding to the problems because already there's flooding in these areas like Puducherry, Villupuram, etc. So more rains, of course, would mean more trouble for the people, and it's going to be a challenging situation for the authorities as well. And not just here in Puducherry, rescue operations are underway in Villupuram, Thiruvannamalai, Kadalur, etc. as well. But as far as the situation in Puducherry is concerned, the government says they are, they're coordinating the rescue and relief work. Places like Rainbow Nagar and Valalai, Saleh and other places are low-lying areas, and these are the places where water has entered homes at up to ground level is what we're being told. And the Indian Army has rescued several persons so far, and the work is underway even now as we speak.
Right. Thanks, Shilpa, for bringing us all those details on that story.